sat at your desk every morning and envisioned your own sales success, would that make it happen? If you started your day by telling yourself you're going to reach your sales goals, if you closed your eyes and you took a deep, calming breath and really believed it, would that make it so? Skeptics would say, well, no, of course not. That's ridiculous. You can't think your way to success. You have to work hard. This is scary. You have to use that fear of failure to motivate you. I've been thinking a lot about this. And I've been thinking about it because of a show that Allison and I are watching on Apple Plus called We Crashed. And just the belief that Adam Newman and his wife had in themselves. And it's really, as I'm driving around and I'm exercising, I've been thinking about this. And I thought, most sales reps I know sell from a point of fear. We sell and we think, oh my gosh, I have to make a certain number. I've got to hit my goals. I got to make more money. And that's not healthy and it's not helpful. The people who really believe in this crazy mumbo jumbo of manifestation, they really believe. That's the thing. They really believe. I don't care if they're right or wrong. I'm not going to weigh in. But I am going to approach my sales for the sales vault differently. I am going to believe that I'm going to hit my own numbers. I mean, I may spill out these sales tips every week, but I'm not immune to doubt. When things go dead, when there's a drought of sales and people signing up, I get worried. I've done this for 40 years. It's a roller coaster and always will be. So I'm not immune to any of this. But you know what? If I can get myself to sit here in my chair and just think the sales vault is going to be wildly successful, you are going to help hundreds of salespeople and selling owners to be their absolute best. What's the worst that's going to happen? I'm going to become from a more positive place. I'm going to be less stressed. I'm going to be happier. Whether it works or not, there's nothing but positive effects to all this crazy mumbo jumbo. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to start believing that it's a given that I'm going to hit my sales numbers. A given. And I'm going to sell from that point. And I'm going to be happier and I'm going to be less stressed. Care to join me? Have a great selling week.